Hello children, welcome back to mathematics video classes. In the last video, we completed first chapter knowing our numbers. In this video, now I am going to teach second chapter whole numbers for class 6. A small introduction. In earlier classes, we have learnt about counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, fractional numbers like 2 by 3, 11 by 2, 14 by 25, and decimal numbers 3.4, 12.65, 125.37, like this. In this chapter, we will study about numbers in a more systematic manner and in greater detail. This will be done by grouping numbers in different groups. The grouping will be done on the basis of common properties possessed by the numbers. First one, natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Already we have learned in the first chapter natural numbers. Since our childhood, we are using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to count and calculate. For example, 3 apples, 5 bananas, 7 mangoes, 2 pens, etc. Here, apples, bananas, mangoes, pens are objects, whereas 3, 5, 7, 2, etc. indicate about the quantities of these objects. We start counting from 1 and then go on to 2, 3, 4, etc. This is a natural way of counting objects, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. Now I am giving you the definition, take it down. That is natural numbers. All countable numbers are called natural numbers. The collection of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. N is equal to the collection of natural numbers. Sorry, 0 is not there. The collection of natural numbers is denoted by the letter capital N. Here 1 is the first and smallest natural number. 1 is the first and smallest natural number. Here there is no largest number because here infinitely many natural numbers are there. Now let us discuss about successor and predecessor. First one, successor. What is the successor? Successor means after number to the given natural number. How do you get the successor? If we add 1 to any natural number, then we get next number, which is called successor. For example, the successor of 16 is 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. 17 is successor of 16. Next one, next example, the successor of 17 is 17 plus 1, that is equal to 18. Next example, the successor of 999 is 999 plus 1, that is equal to 1000. Here natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Every natural number has a successor. The successor of 1 is 2. The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 3 is 4. The successor of 4 is 5 and so on. Every natural number has a successor. Next one, predecessor. What is the predecessor? Predecessor means before number to the given natural number. How do you get predecessor? If we subtract 1 from any natural number, then we get previous number, which is called predecessor. For example, the predecessor of 15. If we subtract 1 from 15, that is equal to 14. 14 is the previous number to the 15. Next example, we take the predecessor of 1000. The predecessor of 1000, when we subtract 1 from 1000, we get a previous number 1000, that is 999. This is the previous number to the natural number 1000. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. What is the predecessor of 5? That is 4. What is the predecessor of 4? That is 3. What is the predecessor of 3? That is 2. Predecessor of 2 is 1. What is the predecessor of 1? Here there is no predecessor of the natural number 1. Is there any number before the 1? Yeah, that is 0. To understand the concept of 0, zero is an important number in which use most of the cases. Let us consider the example. Suppose we have to distribute 8 bananas. 8 bananas equally among 3 children. After distributing 2 bananas each child to each child. Two bananas each to each child. We are left with 2 bananas. Whereas if we have to distribute 6 bananas equally among 3 children, we are left with no bananas or 0 bananas. We represent the number we represent the number by the symbol 0. 0 represent here 0 represent the absence of any object or item. It should be noted the number 0 is not regarded as a natural number, but new collection of numbers, that is 0 and counting numbers, are called whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called whole numbers. 0 along with natural numbers and along with 0 are called whole numbers. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called whole numbers. Now I am giving you the definition, take it down. That is whole numbers, a small definition. The natural numbers along with the 0 form a collection of whole numbers. The collection of whole numbers is denoted by capital W. That is W is equal to the collection of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, etc. Here 0 is first and smallest whole number. There is last or greatest whole number because here infinitely many whole numbers are there. All natural numbers are called whole numbers, but all whole numbers is not a natural number because 0 is not a natural number. Let's we stop here. We will continue in the next video.